In this video, we solve the second numerical of friction head loss in a pipe. So first we understand the problem statements. So in the last numericals, we find out the friction head loss HF by using these Darcy formulas and chassis formulas. But in this video, we are find out the diameter of a pipe. So we find the diameter of pipe of length of 2000 meter, means length of pipe capital L is equal to 2000 meter when the rate of flow of water through the pipe is 200 liter per second. So here the rate of flow of water is given, that means Q is given. Okay, so this is the Q. The head loss due to friction is 4 meter, means HF is given 4 meter. Take the value of C is equal to 50 in chassis formula. So we write down the given data. So first, length of pipe L is given, it is 2000 meter. Discharge Q is equal to 200 liter per second. So we need to convert them in a meter cube per second. So we know that in a 1 meter cube of tank, 1000 liter of water is coming. Means suppose here we make one tank and all the side of the tank is the 1 meter. Okay, so what is the volume of the tank? It is the 1 meter cubes. So in a 1 meter cube of the tank, 1000 liter of water is filled in. Okay, that means we need to divide this liter per second by 1000. So we get them in a meter cube per second. So 200 liter per second is equal to 0.2 meter cube per second. Head loss due to friction HF is given, that is a HF is equal to 4 meters. Value of chassis constant C is equal to 50. And we need to find out the diameter D. Okay, so here chassis constant is given, so we need to find out the diameters by the chassis formulas. And suppose if we find out by the Darcy's formulas, so it is not possible because here the kinematic viscosity is not given. So we are not able to find out the F, and if we are not able to find out the F, then we are not able to find out the D. Okay, so here we need to use the chassis formula to find out the D. So what is the chassis formula? Chassis formula is the velocity V is equal to C into under root of Mi. Okay, so here we can see the C is given. Okay, and we can check that the velocity V is not given, I is not given. Okay, so first we need to find out the V, M and the I. So first we need to find out the velocity of the flow. So velocity of flow V is equal to discharge divided by area. So discharge is Q, area of the pipe is the pi by 4 d square. So here the Q is given, so we put the value of Q. Q is equal to 0.2, and we already know that we need to find out the D. So value of the D is not there. So we simplified these equations, means we supplied this 4 in upper part. So it is a 0.2 into 4 divided by pi d square. So this is the value of V. Second, we find out the M. M means hydraulic mean depth is equal to D by 4. So D is already not there. Okay, so we can write the M is equal to D by 4. Next, we find out the I, that is a loss of head per unit length, means HF divided by L. So HF is given, that is a 4 meters. Length is given 2000 meters. So 4 divided by 2000, we get the answer 0.002. Now we substituting all these value, means value of V, value of M and the value of I in this equation of this chassis formula. So here we putting this value of V. So V is equal to 0.2 into 4 divided by pi d square equal to C. C is equal to 50. It is given here. So we write down the C is equal to 50. Under root of M. Instance of M, we can substituting this value D by 4 into I. I is the 0.002. So further we simplified this equation and we are able to find out the D. So first what we do, we supply this 50 into the left side, so it is multiplied with the pi d squares. Okay, so this step is as it is, under root of d by 4 into 0.02. Just we supplied 50 into the left side, so it is come in a multiplications with the pi d square into 50. Then we solve this equation, means 0.2 into 4 divided by 50 and divided by pi, we get this answer 0.00509 divided by d square. So further what we do, we do the square on the both side, means this is our one step is equal to these steps. Okay, so we do the square on the both sides. So here already under root is there, so when we do the square, under root is the remove, so it is written as the d by 4 into 0.002, and on the right side we do the square, means 0.00509 square divided by d square is already there. Okay, so it is a 2 into 2 means d raised to 4 power. So further we simplify this equation, means we do the square of this value, that is the 0.00509 square is the 0.000259. Okay, so we get these answers. Now we have this step, we have these steps. Okay, so further we simplified it. So when we further simplified, this d raised to 4 power is supplied onto the left side. Okay, so here already 1d is there, so it is d raised to 5 powers is equal to this 4 is supplied on the right side, means 4 is supplied here, so it is going the multiplications, and this 0.002 is supplied on the right side, so it is going a divide. Okay, so we get this equation, and this is further simplified in calculator, so we get this answer d 5 power is equal to 0.0518. Okay, so what we do, we do the under root by 5 on both the sides, so this d raised to 5 power is converted into d, and here we do the under root of 5 power, so it is written. Then further we simplified, so we can say that the 0.051 have a power of 1 by 5, so 1 by 5 means it have the power of 0.20. Then further we simplified in calculators, then we get this answer is the 0.553 meters, and we need to convert in mm, then we need to multiply it with the 1000, then we get the answer is 553 mm. So here we are find out this diameter of the pipe by using the Chassis formula. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching this more video related to FMHM or other subject of mechanical engineering. For FMHM, various link is provided in descriptions. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist, and don't forget to share with your friends.